Hey, what's up, you guys? So this is just a video of I'm doing this challenge here with another YouTuber whom likes to doodle, and I thought it would be cool if I gave it a shot. This is what I came up with, and I'll be outlining it on this video and probably coloring it as well. If not, if I don't end up coloring it on this video, I'll for sure do it on the next one. But pretty much the challenge that we came up with, or the rules that we came up with, is pretty much I would do half of my thing and he would just go ahead and finish it. He would do the other half, and same thing for his drawing. He'll do his doodle halfway, he'll give it to me, I'll do my end on it, and we'll see how it ends up. It honestly is more of a collaboration video more than a challenge. We just want to see how two different styles pretty much stack up against each other and end up making a complete piece. Now this one I did finish already, but I have a copy of this doodle here where it goes about this far into the doodle where the pen is, and then the rest he'll have to do himself. Now what I'm gonna do now is I'll go ahead and start outlining this thing, and I'll show you guys how it looks once it's done. Okay guys, so here's the finished drawing doodle once I have outlined everything. Now what I did have to do is I had to trace the half that I told you the other YouTuber will be doing, just because I'm kind of dumb and I forgot to stop, take a picture of it and send it to him in time. So as you guys could tell at the beginning of the video, I had the whole thing sketched out already. Now I did about this far of the tracing. I'll send that piece over to him and see how he ends up the piece. Now he'll pretty much send me his as well, and I'll have to finish his and color it. Mine, I'll leave it blank, at least for this video. In next video I'll go ahead and color it. Right now I just have to go meet someone, but pretty much just be on the lookout for the next video. It may be whether me finishing his piece or me coloring this one, depending on how long it takes between the exchange of the pieces. But I'll probably be having some links down on the description box below of his channel, just so that you can go ahead and watch his video of him doing his doodle and leaving it halfway off, which is the one he's gonna be sending off to me. But that's about it. If you guys like the video, feel free to go ahead and give me a like. I really will appreciate that a lot. And share my videos and go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more cool videos like this one. Thank you.